लाइट कट गई थी इसलिए थोड़ा सा इंटरप्ट हो गया. सो we were reading about order of matrices. And what is order of matrices? Any particular matrix is given, then how many rows are there? You can see this is an example. Suppose this is matrix A. Matrix is always represented by capital letter of English alphabet. See how many rows are there? R1 and R2. There are 2 rows. So this matrix is of 2 by, and how many columns are there? 1, C1, C2, C3. 3 columns. Okay, 2 by 3 matrix. Got it? See this one. How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows there. And how many columns? 1, 2. 2 columns. So order of this matrix is 3 rows. 3 rows, 2 columns. 3 by 2. Okay. And this one having 1, 2, 3 rows. R1, R2, R3, 3 rows. And you can see this is C1, C2, C3, 3 columns. So 3 rows, 3 columns, 3 by 3 matrix. So how can we define the order of matrix? Row by column. Row by column. Okay. So what will be the order of this matrix? How many rows there? 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 by 2. Row by column. Okay. Now I am going to teach you that how many elements are there in a matrix. Consider an example. A matrix. Matrix A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So how many rows there? 1, 2, 3 rows. How many columns? 1, 2, 3 columns. So its order is 3 by 3. And number of elements, number of entries are number of elements. Number of elements is equal to row by column. 3 into 3, that is equal to 9. Row, number of elements in how many rows there? Number of rows into number of columns. That is 3 rows into 3 columns. 3 into 3, that is 9. There are 9 entries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Consider another example. This is A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. What is the order of this matrix? There are 2 rows and how many columns? 1, 2, 3 columns. So how many total number of entries here? Total number of elements and entries are same here. So 2 into 3. 2 number of row into number of column. 2 into 3, that is 6. Okay. See how we can represent a matrix generally. General representation of any matrix. General representation of matrix of order m by n. See, clearly there are total mn entries, mn elements. It will be represented by, this is A11, A12. You can see how many rows there, m row, and how many columns there, n columns. So m row, n columns. So that is A11, A12, A13, and so on, A1, n, A21, A22, A23, and so on, A2n, and so on, AI1, AI2, AI3, and so on, AIN, and so on, AM1, AM2, AM3, and so on, AMN. That is the general representation of a matrix of order m by n. Its order is of m by n. In the compact form, it is represented by this form: Aij of order m by n. Clearly, this entry Aij is ijth entry. Ijth entry or element of given matrix. Okay. For example, if this matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so its order is 2 by, there are 2 rows, 3 columns, 2 by 3. If someone asked you that find out A21, means ये आपसे कहना चाह रहा है कि A2th एंट्री कौन सी है, A21th एंट्री कौन सी है, 21th एंट्री या एलिमेंट, तो ये कौन सा होगा, सेकेंड रो और फर्स्ट कॉलम, सेकेंड रो और फर्स्ट कॉलम की जो एंट्री है. आप देखो ये फर्स्ट रो है, ये सेकेंड रो है, तो सेकेंड रो और फर्स्ट कॉलम की जो एंट्री है कौन सी है, 4. ओके, सेकेंड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम, दैट इज A21 is 4. A21 is 4. If someone asks you that A22 find out करो, means second row, second column. So this one is second row and this one is second column. 5. Okay. अगर आपसे कोई कहे कि find out A13 means first row, third column. तो first row आप ये देखो ये है और third column ये है, तो कौन सी एंट्री होगी, 3. ओके, तो अब आप समझ गए होंगे कि एंट्री एलिमेंट पर्टिकुलर पोजीशन की एंट्री हम कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं. ओके, सी कभी कभी आपको एंट्री का जनरल डेफिनेशन देगा और आपसे कहेगा कि आप उस मैट्रिक्स को फॉर्म करके बताओ. जैसे find matrix Aij of order 2 by 3, where Aij defined as I plus j. Okay, then find matrix A. Clearly, A is of order 2 by 3, means there are 2 rows and 3 columns. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. यही होगा. There are 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay? So हमें ये मैट्रिक्स चाहिए, तो हमें ये सारी एंट्रीज चाहिए. Aij is defined as I plus j. Very simple, मैंने एग्जांपल लिया है. Then A11 find out कर लो. A11 will be 1 plus 1, that is 2. A12 that will be 1 plus 2. I plus j, ये I है ये j है, that is 3. A13 that is 1 plus 3, that is 4. A21 that is I plus j, that is 3. A22 that is I plus j, that is 4. A23 that is I plus j, that is 5. So that matrix will be what? A11 that is 2, A12 that is 3, A13 that is 4, A22 that is A21 that is 3, A22 that is 4, A23 that is 5. This is the required matrix. Okay, this is like this. Another example, I am going to solve another example. Find matrix another example, find matrix Aij of order 3 by 2, where Aij is defined as half of mod I minus j. कुछ भी दे सकता है. See, first we have to find out that matrix. There are 3 rows and 2 columns. It is clear from its order. 3 rows, 2 columns. Okay, so it will be A1, A11, A12, only 2 columns. A21, A22, A31, A32. That will be that matrix. This is of order 3 by 2. Now we have to find out A11. That will be half, because Aij is defined as half of mod I minus j. Okay, mod I minus j. So A11 will be half mod 1 minus 1. That is 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 divided by 2, that is 0. A12 that is half mod 1 minus 2. So 1 minus 2 क्या आएगा? Minus 1. mod उसको 1 बना देगा. 1 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. Now A21 that is half I minus j. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. A22 that is half 2 minus 2, that is 0 by 2, that is 0. A31 that is half mod 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2 divided by 2, that is 1. And A32 that is half 3 minus 2. mod 3 minus 2 is 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. So सारी एंट्रीज हमें मिल गई. Then that matrix will nothing but A11 0, A12 1 by 2, A21 1 by 2, A22 0, A31 1, A32 1 by 2. That is the required matrix. Okay, what is its order? 3 by 2. Okay, another question based on matrix. Another question, if there are 8 elements, in any matrix, then what should be its order? उस मैट्रिक्स की ऑर्डर क्या हो सकती है? तो जाहिर सी बात है कि टोटल 8 एलिमेंट्स हैं, तो नंबर ऑफ रो इनटू नंबर ऑफ कॉलम करने पे 8 आ जाना चाहिए. तो क्या क्या हो सकता है? 1 by 8 का हो सकता है, 2 by 4 का भी हो सकता है, 4 by 2 का हो सकता है, 8 by 1 का हो सकता है. तो ऐसे ऐसे कितने मैट्रिसेस मिल सकते हैं? 4 मैट्रिसेस मिल सकते हैं. जिनमें टोटल नंबर ऑफ एंट्रीज 8 होंगी और ऑर्डर्स 1/8, 2/4, 4/2, 8/1। यहीं पे एक क्वेश्चन हो कि टोटल नंबर ऑफ एंट्रीज, टोटल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स 16 है। What should be their order? What will be order of that matrix? क्या हो सकता है बताओ, क्या क्या हो सकता है? That is 1/16, 2/8, 4/4, 8/2, 16/1. How many matrices there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 matrices.